Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, no repeat, no equipment, beginner's HIIT workout. So if you haven't tried HIIT workout before, this would be a great workout for you to try. So everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. What we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification on so that you know when the next videos are uploaded. If you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 하실 수 있는 10분 초급 초보자를 위한 고강도 인터벌 트레이닝을 해볼 건데요. 층간소음 없는 동작들이고 인터벌 트레이닝을 해보신 적이 없으신 분들을 위해서 이 영상을 준비해 보았습니다. 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 반복이 없는 동작이며 총 10가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 자, 준비되셨으면 그리고 좋아요와 구독, 알람 설정 잊지 말아주세요. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay, ready? Let's go and get started with a quick warm-up. Reach up, tap to the side, hamstring curls, kicks, hip openers, 3, 2, 1, switch other side. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, 1, jog it out, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go get started. So first one, we are doing a squat. Knee to elbow right here. That's the squat. 45 seconds. Get ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Breathe, exhale, inhale. she come? Feet wide, toes out to the side. Squeeze your hips on the way up, pressing through your heels. Take a break. Next one, lunge with a knee lift. Left side. Number 6.
Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have you stay in.
In from the side.
Pick up the mess that you left shattered on the floor. Keep the lights down low. What is this game you're playing? Don't get me wrong, I'm already forward. Future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want you, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we will
Other side. Right side, number 7.
finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love's so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. Keep those lights down low. Forget all that I'm saying. You have to let it go. Only option is you're staying.
Ooh.
Don't get me wrong, I'm already forward. Future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want you, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish
Okay.
line.
8. We're doing side lunge to front
Even
kick.
if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why.
Alternating.
This love's so hard, it's something at the finish line. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay,
Toes to the front.
stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why. This love's so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. I'll stay, stay, I'll stay. At least
right here, up and down, up and down, keeping our knees on the floor. Or you can do it here. Ooh. Switch 10. This is it, last one. Right, Tiger? Forward. I'm gonna stop the timer. Great job, everyone. Shake your arms out, legs out, shoulder roll out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, get water, get water. Okay, let's start with our shoulder stretch. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Other side. Palms to the front, back stretch. Quad stretch. Oops. Switch. Heel down, toes up. Switch. Plie. Switch. Right over left. Gently press it down. Finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. That was our 10 minutes, no repeat, no equipment, HIIT workout for beginners. Hope you enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.